What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. Good morning from Canada. Hope we're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 20,104, down 1.72 on the day. Seeing market cap of 383 billion. 24-hour volume 30.69 billion. Let's hop into the chart. It's going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we're looking at the bullish scenario, which is that we've come up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, looking for a wave 3. However, we never completed a 5-wave move to complete a wave 1 within the wave 3. As you can see, this is only a 3-wave move, and we're starting to see some pullback. So the bullish scenario would be that the wave 2 isn't complete yet, and we've come down basically in a wave A, and this is your wave B, which is a 3-wave move, and you're looking for a wave C to complete the wave 2. But just remember that a wave 2 pullback cannot retrace past the beginning of wave 1. So if we do break below 19.5, that would invalidate that structure. And what you'd have to be looking at here, is that the wave 5 is not complete yet, and we'd have to be looking at an extended wave 2. As I've been mentioning here, what we're looking at is that we've gone through a 1-2, 1-2. But this wave 2 cannot break below the beginning of the wave 1, which is down here at about 18.9K. If we do lose that level of support, and validates that, and we no longer be looking at a 1-2, 1-2 setup. I am still biased towards the bearish scenario. Even if we do bounce up here, what I'm looking at is that we're going to be putting in a 5-wave move to the upside in a wave C, seeing a wave 2 pullback before continuing to the downside, as I do believe that this is a wave 4 pullback with the WXY, and now we're going to see 5 waves down to complete the final wave 5 and possibly find a bottom here in this bear market. That's what I've been covering on the channel, and so far it has been playing out to a T. However, if we do come up and break these highs, that's when we could definitely flip bullish, and the bullish scenario would be more likely in my opinion. But as of right now, we perfectly met a wave 4 pullback, almost came back to the 0.382, and now we've made a 5-wave move to the downside. So if we do start to bounce and we get rejected from this target zone in between 21.5 and about 23.8, then we could be seeing a wave 2 and then looking for the largest wave 3. Usually the largest wave is the wave 3 to the downside, wave 4, wave 5. Complete the final wave 5 and possibly put in a bottom here for BTC. That is what I'm looking at. We have broken down from this bearish flag. As I mentioned yesterday, we have another bearish flag with a target of about 17.9K. It's the local bottom here for BTC. So just watch that, guys. If we do start to break down from that flag pattern, that's when we could come all the way back down to about 17.9. But we do have one more strong level of support here at about 18.5, 19K for our friend Bitcoin. So in the short term, the bullish scenario is that we put in a wave 1 and we're yet to complete a wave 2 pullback, because we can't count a 5-wave move. So the only thing that you can look at is a potential ABC. Wave 1, we've come down to a wave A. You have a wave B, which is a 3-wave move, and you're still looking to put in a wave C to complete the wave 2 pullback. But the wave 2 cannot break below the wave 1, the beginning of the wave 1, which is currently coming in at about 19.5K. If you do lose that level of support, I would expect you to at least come down to about 19K, which is your next strong level. But in my opinion, even if we do bounce here and begin to put in a 5-wave move, we're putting in a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the downside. But that can be invalidated if we break above the 0.786 and come back up to retest these highs here. Of course, a wave 2 pullback can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but it would show a lot of bullish strength if we come all the way back up to retest these highs. However, please remember that we are in September, historically dumpy month for crypto. Just looking at the chart, it definitely looks like we're headed towards another dumpy September, but we'll have to see what happens. All right, guys, that's basically it for this little BTC update. Big shout out to the Discord. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. You can sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. What's going on with the camera here? If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, up to $4,500 in bonuses. You can check out my full-length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.